If you don't learn to control your thoughts will control your entire life. Right now, as you're listening to this, there is a silent voice inside your head. It tells you to wake up early, but then it whispers 5 more minutes. It tells you to work hard, but then it suggests scrolling just a little longer. It tells you to be honest, but then it says no one will know. That voice can build your future or destroy it. This is the story of Henry. Henry was not lazy. He was not weak. He was intelligent, ambitious, and full of dreams like most people in their 20s. He wanted success. He wanted respect. He wanted a life his parents could be proud of. But Henry had one invisible enemy: his own thoughts. Every morning he'd promised himself he would wake up at 5 a.m., study for his professional certification exam, and focus on his goals. But when the alarm rang, his mind started negotiating. You slept late. You deserve rest. You can start tomorrow. And just like that, tomorrow became next week. Henry wasn't failing because he lacked ability. He was failing because he believed every thought that entered his mind. Then one day, something happened that shook him. He had been preparing for an important exam that could change his career. Weeks before the test, he had wasted time procrastinating, watching videos, pretending to study. The guilt was there, but he kept quiet about it, even to himself. The night before the exam, a friend sent him leaked questions. Real questions. The exact paper. His heart started racing. No one will know. Everyone does it. This is your chance. The thoughts came faster and louder. They made cheating sound reasonable. They made dishonesty look like survival. For hours, Henry stared at his phone. This was the moment his life could split into directions. He closed his eyes and for the first time, he didn't fight the thoughts. He observed them. He realized something powerful. A thought is just a suggestion. It is not a command. The voicing. His head was desperate, afraid, looking for shortcuts. But deep inside, beneath the noise, there was another voice, quieter, stronger. If you cheat today, you will win marks, but you will lose yourself. Henry imagined getting the job through dishonesty. He imagined the smile on his parents' faces. But he also imagined waking up every day knowing it wasn't earned. He imagined the fear of being exposed. He imagined becoming the kind of man who looks for shortcuts whenever things get hard. In that silent room, he understood something most people never realize. Success achieved by uncontrolled thoughts is temporary. Character built by disciplined thoughts is permanent. His thumb hovered over the screen. Then he deleted the message, not because it was easy, but because it was right. The next day, he walked into the exam hall with a calm face and a storm inside him. He didn't know all the answers. He struggled. He left questions blank. And when the results came, he failed. It hurt. The old voice returned. See, you should have cheated. You're not good enough. You wasted your chance. But this time, Henry saw the voice for what it was: noise. Instead of reacting, he made a decision. If my thoughts can destroy me, they can also build me. He started training his mind like an athlete trains his body. Every morning when the alarm rang, and the voice said, sleep, he said, stand. Every time his mind said, scroll, he said, study. Every time it said, it's too hard, he said, do it anyway. It was not dramatic. It was not exciting. It was small, daily battles. Invisible victories. He began practicing honesty not just in big moments, but in small ones. If he wasted an hour, he admitted it to himself instead of making excuses. If he failed to complete a task, he owned it instead of blaming circumstances, because he realized something deeper. Honesty with others starts with honesty with yourself. Months passed. His friends partied. Some took shortcuts. Some lied on resumes. Some bragged about easy wins. Henry stayed quiet. He wasn't perfect. Some days he lost his thoughts. Some days he overslept. Some days he doubted everything. But he stopped letting one bad thought turn into a bad week. He learned to catch a negative thought before it grew. I'm not smart enough. No, I need more practice. I can't do this. No, this will take time. I'll start tomorrow. No, start now. Slowly, something changed. His confidence was no longer based on results. It was based on control. He sat for the exam again the next year. This time, there were no leaked questions, no shortcuts, no guilt, just preparation. When the results came, Henry didn't just pass. He ranked. The same people who once saw him as average now called him disciplined, lucky, talented. But they didn't see the real victory. The real victory happened the night he deleted that message. Years later, when Henry built his career, people trusted him. Not because he was the smartest in the room, but because he was honest, reliable, steady. And that steadiness came from mastering one simple skill: controlling his thoughts. Here's the truth. You don't become successful the day you achieve something big. You become successful the day you stop being controlled by every random thought in your head. Your mind will always offer comfort over growth, excuses over effort, shortcuts over discipline, but you get to choose which voice you follow. Right now, there is a thought inside you. Maybe it says you're too late. Maybe it says you're not good enough. Maybe it says discipline is boring. Maybe it says nobody will notice if you cut corners. Pause, observe it. Ask yourself, is this thought building my future or breaking it? Because every great life is built twice, first in the mind, then in reality. If you cannot control the first, you will never master the second. Henry's story is not special. What's special is the decision he made in a quiet room when no one was watching. And you will have your own quiet room moment. Maybe tonight. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe right after this video ends. When that moment comes, remember this: you are not your thoughts. You are the one who chooses them. Control your thoughts. Stay honest when it's hard. Choose discipline when it's uncomfortable. And one day, when success finally arrives, it won't just feel good. It will feel deserved.